We and Patrick sit down and we say, Mr. Kirk, we have a farm and labeling and start to own a thing. And him come up with the name too. It's a Shocking Vibes.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And then him send got design a label, but the label made have some orange, some bright color, orange and blue. Kind of look ugly at the time, you know. And then you'd have a studio named Creative Sound Studio. Him start got a studio then, and like him would have Firehouse crew. And how we do it now, we go in and we sing, cause them time they sing live and the man must build the live musician that they are build around where you sing. So anything where you sing, adapt them go and focus on and start out.
Yeah.
And I think me sing a song about I'm gonna get to play at 7:30. I start sing some sing over because I sing Ghetto People Broke and I sing some conscious song, but basically I never get much love. Yeah, people like it and people are so rare, but it's like it not really go on to that. So when I sing some sing over, being man is there to advise some songs to Tanto. And we are going and nothing now go on too tough. So like it go down to about 1988 now. Michael Jackson sing the song named Man in the Mirror. I mean I go so bop and listen to the song and I say, yo, this song is bad, you know. The time my voice fine too, you know. And Patrick say, yo, we're gonna lick over the song, you know. Them time the sing over start run the place, because you'd have Wayne a sing over, you'd have Sanchez a sing over, the whole works, you understand? So like me go and listen to it and then we get Firehouse crew and go in at the studio now and we take the mic, the demo and we start saying, I'm gonna make a change for once in my life. And the man have a little thing at that. It's gonna be real good, gonna make a difference, I'm gonna make it right. So you saw like Michael Jackson so, and then the man was coming with him, and there's a
Yes.
and we are saying, yo,
when the bass drop on that song there, that was almost like the craziest part of the song when the bass came in.
Exactly. Anytime you draw that the part that drop you even live stage show, crowd go wild, the girl them start.
Okay.
You know?
One question for you though. When you guys started Shocking Vibes, so you said, okay, Patrick came to you and said, okay, let's start the Shocking Vibes here.
Right.
Who all was on Shocking Vibes when it first started, and what was the structure?
All right. As I say, me was on it. We have Tanto mentioned, me have Vice Tanto, Beanie Man. You'd have two youth named Superman and Spider-Man from back in the days, DJ them. I don't know if you know them name there.
No.
And you'd have some other artists on it, man. So basically what we do is go studio and just book some time and work until, you know, when Man in the Mirror, Creative Sound, and we go send one mix of Man in the Mirror and put it out. It start mash up the whole place.
So the first hit for Shocking Vibes.
Yes, Shocking Vibes. And the big bright label too, I think. No. I think him change the label then. If I'm not sure enough. For so long sometime I don't really remember exactly.
Yeah.
But the first person that played the music was Barry G. I remember riding from studio from a bicycle. I go down and we have one of them little radio up on the thing and like me I ride and people say, yo Kirk, you sang up on the radio, you know. Barry G, so Barry G, I shut up the place, you know, man. I'm going to go, son, I listen and me, the man pull it up and the man say, yes, this is Little Kirk, and you know, blah, 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 blah. Me I say, yo, boss, nice. Yeah, man, and I go on and start do some show, some sting, and every way me go and sing that, the place a boss way, no joke. Girl, yo, me alone, me go sang up and all some fit, man. Just walk up alone and just all my shoes alone, the girl them saying, be screaming, you know, no joke.
This is 88. Now you have the big hit. So then now you guys had formed Shocking Vibes. You're the first artist with the hit out of the camp now. So you're actually the big star out of everybody right now.
Right.
Okay. And then where did you guys go from here now? Because as I said, you're the first one out. So then who was the second one out of the camp now to start getting the hits?
All right. Well, the next year, the Man in the Mirror, as I said, Gilbert had come and kind of damper it from go number one. After that, Loving the Earth comedy, Wild Gilbert and wipe out everything. so the next year, now we go back to the drawing board and we did it. And we have voice some song and we still have put out song, but the song did not really hit them play and stuff. You know, Being a Man and You know, Beenie Man did have a song, oh, the girl them I watch you or something like that, keep way or something like that. Some songs put out.
Mm-hmm.
But now 89 now.
Mm-hmm.
Dave Kelly, I don't remember if it's Dave Kelly and Tony Kelly. I think Dave Kelly built drum kicker or whatever. And that's why I don't want to take on the credit for nobody. That's why they build the rhythm. Little Lenny, I meet Little Lenny one at the time at Tough Gun Studio. I was voicing for a guy named Corey. He would produce Major Mackerel song about run down and I'm at a run down. We start going now back 89 away up a penthouse studio now one night, you know, penthouse in the complex, and you have Gussie Clark's studio next door where Gregory Isaac and one of them Mr. Vice and we over this side. So we then at the studio, Dave Kelly and I think Tony Kelly I was there. I think Firehouse Crew plays some phrase on it, wrong move by one of them. So Little Lenny have the mic and him a DJ. She have the good in a baggy, G, mind you do to it. Gus and Billy rhythm and then Vice the song. And then carry the song, go do some test run. I think I must Gemini or whatever. Sound them carry and every way it go. It bust the whole place, pull up the place. So Lenny now start become the man. Lenny start mash up the whole place. So one day now we go by the studio now and Patrick say my voice some more song on the rhythm. And then me go sabap and me go in there and rhythm start and me pam pam pam. I don't want you to lose, girl, because you look at me and I can see I don't want to lose love. Yo, me say, when that come out and then Captain Barky, that is sound of the gun with a boat, pam pam. Oh, that's another DM1, pam pam. And the two of them start mash up the place, virgin, gun in a baggy. Till Lenny start get whole heap of pressure and him go sabap and shot back the healthy body. But Lose Your Love, Virgin, Lose Your Love, control the place. There was the second song behind Lenny's song. But I tell you, say, it mash up the place and I start get whole heap of call for whole heap of show. You know, dub plate. Yeah, that's one of the biggest songs, man. I'm not lie to you.
So then at this point here, it's now you and Little Lenny are who stars on Shocking Vibes, right?
Right, definitely.
Beenie Man, Tonto Metro, none of them, they still didn't get the hits yet, you know. This is
Little
Kirk with the second one and Little Lenny with the first one.
Yes.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.